Welcome back to Crypto Farm, where today we're going to be talking about a very cool project. It's called MetaTycoon, and it is something that you have to take a look at. Now, these guys have a system where holders can co-own real estate in the metaverse and enjoy exclusive benefits along with it. It's open for phase 1 minting at 0.069 Ethereum per piece, and this is definitely something that you want to take a look at. So today I'm going to guide you through the whole project. Obviously the community is on Twitter, on Discord, and this is my first video in 2022. So happy holidays to everybody. And also, if I do cough or something in the video, make sure to leave a like because I might have the COVID. So everything's going to be okay. We're talking about MetaTycoon today. Really cool project. We're getting right into the website right now where you can see that they have unmatched utilities helmed by real estate professionals. So co-owning real estate in the metaverse, it's a very new concept. It is definitely something that is very interesting and not seen before. So I like to cover unique projects because they are obviously they distinguish themselves from others and probably have a larger value in the future for holders, for the community, and for the people in the project in total, right? So MetaTycoon is 9,999 generative artwork NFT collection, and every NFT artwork is unique with different traits. All of these holders co-own real estate in the metaverse and have profits from sale or rent of the real estate sent to you in USDT. And on top of that, all of the holders get to enjoy exclusive benefits as a MetaTycoon club member. So really cool right here. Very interesting explanation. You can see how they look right here. Obviously this guy has a little Bitcoin chain. This guy has some orange hair. This guy has a red face, probably very rare. This guy looks like he's going Super Saiyan or something. But anyways, really cool stuff right here that I'm seeing. The MetaTycoon club is probably the most important part. The roadmap and the white paper we will have a look at right here. It's very extensive. You can learn everything about the project, and we will have a look at that as well. But first of all, the MetaTycoon club. Now, from their end, there are unmatched utilities and perks when it comes to the club. So first and foremost, you can co-own real estate in the metaverse as a holder of one of these NFTs. 70% of profits are fairly distributed to all holders. 30% profits go back to the community wallet itself. Exclusive metaverse events, access exclusive metaverse merch, and 3D models as well. Digital membership card, physical metal membership card, exclusive Discord channels with crypto signals, real estate tips, and more, and a lot more coming in the future. So obviously being a part of this club will net you a lot of interesting perks for the future and for the current time. Obviously it's something that they should definitely have a look at. Now, a few frequently asked questions before we do get into the introduction to the whole project, the roadmap and whatnot. It's 9,999 generative NFTs packed with utilities, and the ultimate roadmap is loaded with benefits for all MetaTycoon NFT holders. Now, how much is it to actually mint the MetaTycoon NFTs? Well, 0.069 Ethereum plus gas fees. Who are the people behind the actual team? Well, founded and co-founded by real estate investors, professionals with vast experience in the real estate industry. They're putting elements of all their expertise and passion together, bringing to everyone the NFT project that they've always dreamt about, or the MetaTycoon. Now, this is just something about the project itself. What's different and unique about MetaTycoon? Well, very quickly and a little summary, MetaTycoon NFT holders will co-own land parcels in the metaverse and be tycoons in the metaverse together. So read more about the plans in the white paper. You can check out the team as well. So you have Jan, the founder, Maxim. So Jan is a real estate investor and coach with passion in streetwear and NFTs, involved in every part of the project. He's the founder. We have the co-founder, or Maxim. He's a real estate investor and professional as well, the head for the real estate investments. Jay handles the operations for streetwear collection and real estate management. We have Giselle, the marketing guru, handles the marketing of the entire project, including streetwear collection as well. We have Jan, or UN, handles all the design elements of the project, including collabs with other designers and streetwear design as well. Be a MetaTycoon today, join the communities, you can check them all out right here. And right here, if you actually join their Discord, you can find out a lot about the project. Well, it is reloading now for some reason, but in any case, let's just get into this. We'll talk about the Discord later. You have a little introduction about the project itself. You have the vision, you have talk about the founders, you have the assets of the founders and everything. Metaverse implications, so co-owning actual real estate, a very nice explanation here related to that. So we might be approaching a singularity point where digital world and the metaverse becomes much more valuable than the physical world. Purchasing land parcels as well, very possible. Monetizing and passive income plans. So this is a big, it's a business model, right? So it's something that is definitely applicable and similar to real estate investing in real life. And essentially what you need to do is you buy a real estate and you flip it and you sell it for more in the future. Or you don't even have to flip it, you just have to wait for it to appreciate over time. And it's pretty much the same when it comes to the metaverse. Obviously, mint funds and their distribution, metaverse custom avatars, eligibility and perks for the club, exclusive membership cards, exclusive Discord channels. You can check out everything right here. I mean, you have the announcements, making all of these purchases when they hit 700 mints. You have the official links, you have the assets currently listed, so everything is visible and very transparent when it comes to the project. Obviously, you have the roadmap as well. So stage 1 is going to be ongoing currently. So new hires, marketing, exclusive perks, blah, blah, yada, yada. Upon 999 NFTs sold, the mid price will be increased to 0.079 Ethereum plus gas fees. Stage 2 commences when half is sold. So more land parcel acquisitions in the metaverse or bigger land estates, exclusive crypto investment insights and signals for holders only, cross collaborations with other NFT projects and more. Stage 3 will commence when 100% is sold. So distribution deals, the details for the physical membership card to be announced, privileges of physical membership cards, grand metaverse event, and the reveal of all of the 9,999 NFTs. And after everything is completed, the project and the team will focus mainly on community events, benefits, sales, marketing, operations, and passive income distribution. So that's pretty much it when it comes to MetaTycoon NFT. Really cool project right here. Definitely recommend giving these guys a follow on their Twitter, checking out their Discord community. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with your favorite part about this project. Now, lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So see you all next time.